Did you know that you can create amazing effects on your website with just a few lines of HTML code? You won't believe what you can achieve with these simple tricks. Parallax. The parallax effect is a cool effect that creates an illusion of depth and movement on your website. It makes your background image appear to scroll at a different speed than your foreground content. It's a great way to add some fun and interactivity to your website, and it's very easy to do with just a few lines of code. To create a parallax effect, you need two things: a background image and a foreground element. The background image can be any image that you want, but it should be large enough to cover the entire screen. The foreground element can be anything that you want to display on top of the background image, such as text, images, buttons, or ads. The trick to creating a parallax effect is to use the CSS property background attachment, fixed on the background image. This will make the background image stay in the same position as you scroll the page. Then, you can use the CSS property transform, translate Z, on the foreground element to move it closer or further away from the viewer. This will create a sense of depth and perspective, and make the foreground element appear to move faster or slower than the background image. Here is an example of HTML code that creates a simple parallax effect. You can see the result of this code in this demo. Do you want to show your customers feedback, reviews, testimonials, or any other kind of text that might be useful for your visitors? Then you need a scrollable comment box. A scrollable comment box is a simple HTML element that lets you show long texts in a small area. It has a scroll bar that lets the user scroll through the text easily. You can use it to display text that might take up too much space on your page. Have you ever wanted to add some color and emphasis to your website? Well, there's a simple but effective HTML trick that can help you do just that. With just a simple span tag, you can highlight any text between the span tags with any color or style you want. Here's an example. You can use this effect to draw attention to important information, keywords, headlines, or anything else you want to stand out on your page. So go ahead and give it a try.